How to export website from Lovable. All right, so your first step would be to open up a Lovable project. So start by signing into your Lovable account and opening the project you actually want to export. Once you've done that, go ahead and connect the project to GitHub. Lovable typically exports projects through GitHub. If you haven't already connected GitHub, you'll need to do that first. So go ahead and connect your account on GitHub. Now, once you've connected your account, look for the GitHub option inside your project settings and authorize your GitHub account. You should find that on the Lovable website. And then once you've moved over to the GitHub platform, the next step you're going to be taking is pushing the project to GitHub. So after connecting your Lovable account to GitHub, create a repository or select an existing one. Lovable will upload your website source code to your GitHub repository. So you can just click on the plus here and select new repository and you can begin. Now, the next step after that is to simply download the code. So once the project is available on GitHub, open the repository and then simply click on the code button and select the download zip file option. This download the entire website project to your computer. So this will download the entire Lovable project onto your computer. Once you're done there, the next step is to open the project locally. So after extracting the zip file, you can open the project in a code editor such as a Visual Studio Code. From there, you can edit the code, customize the design, and deploy the website wherever you like. And then once you have the code, you can host it on platforms like Versal, Netflow, and page.cloudflare.com or your own web server. Most modern Lovable projects are built with React-based frameworks, which makes them easy to deploy on these hosting services. If you can't find an export option for some of your common issues, maybe GitHub is not connected, just go ahead and connect your GitHub first. The repository permissions are denied, just reauthorize your GitHub access. The project is not syncing, push your changes again, and then the downloaded project will run. Install the required dependencies using the project's documentation. And that's how to export the website from Lovable.